Hello everyone, I am Masih Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 4. Okay guys, in the previous episode we have covered an Android app structure and activities, and we have created an application that has two activities. This app and this app has two activities, main activity and my activity. And here's a button, and when we click this button, change the activities, my activity, and when we push this button, go to main activity and change to main activity. And in this episode we are going to cover UI components and layouts in Android. Therefore we are going to create this form in Android. This is a sign up form. In this sign up form used many kind of layouts like linear layouts and relative layouts and any kind of UI components such as buttons, edit text and labels and checkbox, and we are going to create this form. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, this is our application that we have created in the previous episode that has two activity, main activity and my activity, and now we need to create another activity for our sign up form. And here is activity, empty activity. Its name should be sign up activity. Okay guys, and now finish. Okay, now we have sign up activity, and in here we need just a text view. Okay guys, here is the main activity. It has a button. Change the activity, we can change the main activity to my activity, and we need here another button. The size should be wrap content, and text should be create account, and this should be the below of layout below my button, and we need to add ID to this button, ID plus ID and sign up button. Okay guys, here's our button. We need to add a listener to this button and main activity, and here we need to access to our button sign up button, and should be button and find view by ID of .id dot sign up button. Okay guys, and now sign up button dot set on click listener view, and here we need an intent, and we want to change this activity to sign up activity when the user push the sign up button. Main activity dot this should be changed to activity.class, and now we need to run the app. Okay guys, here is our app. Change the activity or create account, and when we press the create account, here is the sign up activity. Okay guys, we have created the sign up activity, and now we need to change this layout to this layout. At first we need to remove this action bar. We can remove this action bar from the style.xml. Resource folder, in value folder, here is the styles, and in here we have dark action bar. We can add no action bar, and now we don't have the action bar. Okay, here in sign up activity, here is the preview. There is no action bar in here, and we don't need this text view. And here we need this background image. At first I needed to import it to my project. Here is the background, png. Just copy this file and paste in drawable folder using Ctrl V, and then okay, here we have the background. We can open this background, and now we need to create an image view, and the weight should be as the weight of the device, and we need to choose match parent, and then here the size should be, here is a padding from relative layout. We should remove this, and this image view has an src or source src, and then here we have drawable background. Okay guys, here is our background, and we need to remove this white space. For this we have another attribute, adjust view bounds should be true. Okay, adjust view bounds should be true, and the scale type should be center crop. Okay, now it's okay, and we have removed the white space. And now we need to create this action bar, or this custom action bar. Here's a button and a label. Okay, at first we need this back arrow here. For this we have some built-in icons in Android Studio. Just right click to drawable and new and vector assets. We have vector assets here, and click here, and now we need to find this back arrow, and here is the back arrow, and then click OK, and now click next and finish. Okay, we need to add this back arrow in here, and here we have two elements, this image button and this is a label, and in here we need a linear layout. Now we should create a linear layout, and this weight should be as matched parent, and this height should be wrap content. And inside of this linear layout we need an image button. The size of this image button should be based on its content. And now we need an SRC, and this SRC is the IC arrow back. Okay, here is the back arrow, and we need to remove this background, this background remove, and we need to make it white. Just open this arrow, and then here change the color to white. Okay, we have this back arrow. We should add a ID to this image button, and then we need to add a text view. Text should be text color here, and there is no white color. We should create the white color in here, color. We need to open a color tag, and its name should be color white. Okay, and in here this is the hexadecimal code of white color, and you can choose the color from here. Okay, here is the white color, and here set the white color. Now the text is white, and we should change its size. We have text size, and this should be SP. For text guys, we should use from SP. We need to add a margin to this image button, or margin left, and it should be 10 dp. And for this text view also, now it's okay, and this linear layout should have a padding. And now we have this custom action bar. We need this circle image view and this button. Okay guys, and now we should create an image view, and the switch should be content, wrap content, and we need an SRC for this. Okay guys, here is the image view, the user.png. Just copy this file and paste it in the drawable folder, and user.png, and then here drawable/user. Okay guys, we have this image view, and this weight should be 18 dp, 80 dp, and side also should be 80 dp, and this image view should be here. Okay, for this we need to align bottom. At first we need to add an ID to this image view, ID plus ID, and this image view should be at the bottom of this background image. Okay, and now it's okay. and we should add a left margin to this image. View margin left should be 10 dB, okay, or it can be 15 dB. And now we need to create a button. This button, change photo, and here and its weight should be wrap content, and size should be also wrap content. Text should be on this button as an ID, okay, and this button should be here, and this image view should be above of this button. Layouts align button at the bottom of background image, and this image view should be above of this change image button. And now we should remove this layout above, okay guys, and now it's above of this change image. And when we add this attribute layout above, this button should be above of this image view, and this image view should be at the center of this image. For this we should add layout align left, change image, layouts align right, change image. Okay, now this image is at the center of this button. And then here we need this personal information, and here we need to use from linear layout, and its weight should be match parent, and its weight should be wrap content. Okay guys, and here we need a text view. We need to add a position to this linear layout below of this background image, and here is background image. And we need to add a padding to this linear layout, a padding, and in here personal information should be black, and we need to create the black color in here, and we can use from this. Here is the black color, and then here text color should be black. Text size, okay, it's okay, and it should be bold. Text style, okay, a username and a password. We need to create edit text, and this edit text should have ends, and we need to use this text box for password. Okay, and here password, and we should add ID to this text box. Okay, now it's okay, and we should add another labels, skills. We can copy this text view, and here we can change this text. And now we need check box. Okay guys, we need another linear layout, so orientation should be horizontal. Checkbox. Checkbox, its ID should be Java checkbox. We can use this checkbox. Okay, now it's okay, and this checkbox should be at the center of this linear layout. For this we have an attribute gravity. The gravity should be center. Okay, and now we have a button here, create account. We should create this button. We need a button, and this button should be at the center of linear layout gravity should be center. Now it's okay, and now we should run this form. Okay guys, we have create account. When we push this button, this is our form, and this style of these elements belong to material design topic, and when we cover the material design topics, we will change the style of these elements. Thank you for watching, and share the video.